Hi and welcome back to my channel. Are you employed in Kenya and not sure how to file your KRA returns? Don't worry, this video is your step-by-step guide using P9 form. Filing doesn't have to be stressful. Let's make it simple. Here is what you need before we begin. Number 1, your KRA PIN. 2, iTax login details. 3, P9 form from your employer. Check these out. Now that you know what to expect, let's jump into the actual filing process step by step. So the first thing you do, log into your iTax account. So if you don't know how to log into your iTax account, you can go ahead and check a video I did. I will drop the link at the description below so that you can go to that video. I've explained in a very simple way. Enter your password correctly. Then solve this and tap you are in. So the first thing, the other thing you do after this, the next step, you go to here there is file, returns, and then you do iTax resident or income tax resident for employment income only. So that shows you are only filing for employment. Click there. It will give you this schedule or this form. So you select the year is 2024 and then you go to January and then you select. You want from 1st January to 31st December. That is last year. You click there. Then the next thing it will ask you, do you have employment income? So what you do at that point, select yes, because of course that's why we are filing that. Then go to next. So that takes you to this part of the form with your personal details, your personal information, and also some more details that you need to confirm. It's actually automated. Everything is in your system. So what KRA needs you to do is just to go ahead and confirm if everything else is okay. So, but in this part you have to fill this return. If you don't have anything here, you can read through. If you don't have them, you just select no. Select no, and then you go ahead to next. So after that point, there is nothing else you fill. You click next, then make sure you confirm these details. If everything is okay according to your employer PIN number, the gross pay, that is what you should check. If that is okay, you go to next, you don't touch anything. Then so once you go to this slide, the same thing happens. You get taxable salary, you check with your P9, you check everything, you check the paying. If everything is okay, don't click anything, just say next. And then you go to this section. There's nothing, then here there is nothing that is written, or there's nothing that you have to check. Go to next. Then you check at this slide. The last part, if there's anything to do with the pension, if your employer has written or given or paid for you any pension or has indicated it in your P9 form, you indicate it here manually if it's not there. But if you don't have any pension, you check the other details. Check the other details, confirm they are okay. So when filing, it's very important to ensure that all your income and reliefs, they reflect and they are captured well, especially if you don't expect to owe anything, because this helps you to avoid any balance showing up unexpectedly. For example, if here are tax due, in this person they had a balance of, let's say, 1,000 shillings, here this is 0. It simply shows they have to pay KRA 1,000, which is not the case. So that is where you check and then you submit. You click at submit and that gets you or gives you the final process. It will give you this question: are you sure that you want to submit? So it has to ask you. So if everything is okay, you have checked, you have zero balance here, especially if you're in employment, click OK. And there it is. You have done the application, you are finalized, and then you can actually download this returns receipt. Make sure the last thing you do is download these returns. We say it's the proof of you having filed your returns. I have also prepared a downloadable step-by-step guide you can grab from the link in the description. Perfect if you want everything laid out with screenshots. Need help understanding your balance? Reach out using the link in the description for personalized support. Now, in the next video, we will break down how small business owners should approach filing returns. That is what is required, why it's important, and how to stay tax ready. If that is you, you don't want to miss it. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs it. Your tax peace of mind should start now. This is RM Accounting Solutions, your go-to for tax filing in Kenya. See you in the next video.